Zach DeNicola and his wife were driving back to their home in Andover Friday when they noticed a tornado forming in the sky. DeNicola says he started to joke with his wife that the tornado looked to be near their home and started recording the funnel for his social media.
My house is in that direction too. I hope it's there when we get there.
Little did he know his roommate was filming this shot of the twister on their front porch.
Well, I just got home and like I said, it was right on top of my house. That's my neighbor's house back there.
In the weeks since that night, DeNicola and his family have been through a lot. The home that they lived in for the last 4 years, damaged to the point it may have to be torn down.
To be honest, we're still kind of trying to process it all. It just seems so surreal, right?
But in this moment of loss, DeNicola says what's helped him get through it has been the tremendous outpouring of support.
Cars were lining our neighborhood. People I didn't even know, had no idea who they were inside my house, helping us pack out and try and save whatever we could before the rain came.
And that support has not only come from those helping with the cleanup. DeNicola has over 400,000 followers online for his KitchenAid repair business, Mr. Mixer. He says since his family has a solid safety net to rely on, he's been using his social media to try to raise funds for others.
When you have that sort of reach, I feel like it's my responsibility to step out on a limb and, tell people, hey, you need to be aware of what's going on here.
And DeNicola says his followers have stepped up, raising over $25,000 for tornado recovery.
I've reached out to a few people and they say, no, pay it forward, help someone else, we're taken care of, but eventually we're going to find some people to help.
In Andover, Jackson Overstreet, Cake News on your side.